Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Huff, and I'm here with the screencast to show you how to log on to Safari Montage so that you're able to see the morning announcements. And this is brought to you. I'm able to do this screencast using Screencastify. It is an app through Google, and it allows you to record your screen for free and your audio. And you just open it up, and it's an add on into your web browser. All right, well, to get to Safari Montage, I wanted to show you guys a few things. The first thing is there is a difference between Internet Explorer and Internet Edge. If you're like me, you didn't know that, and I thought Microsoft Edge was the new Internet Explorer, but Mr. Holt explained to me that it's not the case. So, in order to watch the videos in Safari Montage, you have to be in Internet Explorer. So, what you have to do is click in, if you're in Windows 10, the search bar, which is also called Cortana, and you'll click there and you'll type in Internet Explorer. If you are in Windows 7, you're going to click into where it says search. And then once you see it, go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. Right click it and pin it to your taskbar. And then once you see it pop up here at the bottom, you'll right click it. This will come up and then pin to taskbar, and it'll pop up on your taskbar. Go ahead and open that up, and now you're in Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer allows you to see a lot of things, especially private things that the county wants you to see on a private network. You can log into Safari Montage in a couple of ways. One way is to go through your employee portal, or you can type it in a taskbar, and you can also go through Launchpad. Launchpad is officially opened, and what Launchpad is a one-stop shop for all of your apps. So for eSchool, Fulton Connect, BrainPop, iExcel, everything that you need, Destiny, it's in your Launchpad. And it's particularly good for students because they only have to log in once. They don't have to know all of these different passwords to get into different apps, which is awesome. So, teachers, I have sent you the link for Launchpad, and I've also sent you the link for the different passwords for BrainPop and for iExcel. And I also have a link for Tumblebook. So there's some things that we have already that the district has paid for, and I've sent that in this email as well. Once you are in, you can go ahead and log into Safari Montage by typing in safari.fultonschools.org. Or, like I said, go through the Launchpad or go through Employee Portal. So once you're here at the page for Safari Montage, you shouldn't have to in Launchpad, but for this demonstration, we are going to go ahead and put in our username and password. So you'll go ahead and open it up. Safari Montage is also where all of your programming that's been vetted by the district for students to watch. So Sid the Science Kid, PBS, historical shows, anything that you like to add in that aligns to your curriculum, you can find it here. You can also record courses, align shows to your standards, create remediation, things that you would probably use in the classroom. You can find it all here. But for the morning announcements, you would also see here, if you scroll down, once you go into Safari Montage, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see NDVR. NDVR are pre-recorded shows. And for morning announcements for the beginning, we're going to go ahead and pre-record so it allows everybody to learn how to log on and get into Safari Montage. And then we'll start our live broadcast. But for right now, we want everybody to be able to get on. So if you haven't seen this except for on Monday, then you'll have an opportunity to still show your children and you won't miss the morning announcements. Here at the bottom, you'll see these green icons, and it would say either Wolf Creek iPad stream or it will say Wolf Creek morning announcements, and it'll have the most current date. So students who might have missed the announcements yesterday because they were absent, they can go onto the computer and catch up. So this is an awesome opportunity for you and students to see the morning announcements. So this is pretty much it for today, and I will send more casts like this so that you can have tutorials. If you have things that you want to know about, please let me know. You can email me at huffm1, or you can contact Ms. Johnson in the Media Center or Mr. Hope, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend.